Assalamu alaykum en 'n hartlike welkom by Pro. Ek is Abida Dixon Mohammed en vandag kuier ek aan die kombuis saam met Wasim Isaacs. Hallo julle. Kyk hier nou, julle sien verlede week het ek mos nog gesels met 'n man wat vir my nou lekker butter chicken gemaak het op 'n different manier en ek moet vir julle sê dit was absolutely amazing. Maar nou kuier ek weer by 'n nog 'n man. Julle weet ek lyk soms te gaan kuier by die mans. Want ek sê dit altyd man, ek sê dit altyd, ons kan maar kwaad raak, maar baie mans kan net beter kook as ons en ek leer sommer verskriklik lekker van hulle af. Maar ek gesels vandag in die kombuis saam met Wasim en weet julle wat doen hy vir my? Laat hy maar vir julle sê. Assalamu alaykum Wasim.
Wa alaikum salam Abida and viewers out there. Today we're going to be making sushi.
Sushi.
Yes, sushi. So we're gonna do a little bit of vegetarian and some fish. I don't know, maybe Auntie Abida doesn't like raw fish, but we will do mostly the veggies for you. It will be a nice treat, a nice healthy treat. All the ingredients will be nice, raw, and very healthy.
Okay, kyk jy nou, hy praat van raw en dan praat hy van healthy. Nou wat is healthy as dit raw is? Nee, gaan dit jou nie siek maak nie.
Wortels, man.
Nee, ek praat van raw. Hy het gesê van wortels hier aan die Elsie.
Dit is roomwortels. Ash.
Hy gaan net vir my van hy goedjies wat hy gemaak gaan hy vir my moet bak. Ek gaan hom wys.
That defeats the purpose. That defeats the purpose. It's supposed to be healthy and fresh.
Nee man, maar gaan dit lekker proe.
It's gonna be very nice. It's gonna be delicious.
Alright, ek gaan sy woord daarvoor vat want kyk jy, hy ken van sushi, ek ken niks van sushi nie, so okay, los dit maar so. Maar okay, om vir ons kykers gou daardeur te hardloop, wat benodig jy vir jou sushi wat jy gaan maak?
Okay, the most important thing in sushi is your rice. Your rice is the heart of sushi.
Okay,
So
nou
you
wat
make
se
it
rys
right.
gebruik ons?
This is sushi rice, so it is a
Sushi.
short grain, glutinous rice. You can have a look, can feel. It's
Kan
not
mens
a-
hom net so eet? Nee.
You can, I suppose. It's like your
Like
like
a
your
normal rice.
basmati is a bit longer, it's different. This is a more glutinous rice, so it's much more sticky.
Okay?
So it will stick to your seaweed.
Kyk jy, nou my man sê altyd ons moet nie rys morsie want hulle haal dit baie swaar uit die grond uit. So ek het nou dit daar uitgehaal, so ek moet net maar alles in my mond sit.
So
Okay. En
So-
dan wat verder nou hier?
okay, so for your rice, you would start off generally with 1 cup of rice.
Ja.
So 1 cup.
Maar nou kyk ek nou nie daai rys het toe. As ek nou 'n gewone rys gebruik, sal dit werk? Nee.
No, it won't. Every rice reacts differently with the sushi rice.
Yeah.
Like I said, it becomes it becomes sticky, and all your ingredients will stick to it, and that's what makes it the sushi rice.
Okay.
With the other rice, it will fall apart. You can attempt to do so, but it will fall apart.
Alright. Maar soos hulle altyd sê, mense gaan nooit weet as jy nie gaan probeer nie. So, you never know as een mos nooit mekaar uitval dan weet jy, okay, nee, los maar vir hom, sy gaan nie weer try nie en so aan. En die res, wat het ons hier?
Okay, we have our cucumber, we have our avo, our carrot, we have over here our sesame seeds.
Ja.
We have our sushi vinegar, or you can use rice vinegar as well.
Nou wat se verskil?
Okay, with the sushi vinegar, you have your sugar and your salt already in it, which makes it a bit more easier, more convenient. With your rice vinegar, you're going to have to add for a 1/4 cup of rice vinegar, you're going to use a tablespoon of sugar
Okay.
and a teaspoon or let's say 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and
Yeah.
you'll stir that in until it dissolves.
Maar kry mens hierdie goedes mos al reeds in die winkel.
Ready
Alles klaar.
on the shelf, ready.
Okay, ek vra maar net. Okay, nou waarmee begin ons nou en
Okay.
wat gebeur nou hier?
Our very first thing is to rinse our rice. So like any rice, you would rinse it. With sushi rice, you won't rinse it until it's perfectly clear. So anywhere between 3 to 5 times you would rinse the rice.
So baie, hy moet water mors.
But you do need it to get all the cloudiness because it's very, very cloudy. So it's not like
En dit is hy moet onder die tap hardloop, né?
you'll put it in a bowl,
Yeah.
and then you'll fill the bowl up with rice, and then you'll take your hand and you'll stir it around nice and gently,
Goed.
and become cloudy, and you'll do that about anywhere between 3 to 5 times. We'll rinse it out.
Maar nou kyk jy, jy het gou vir my werk gegee hier. Wat moet ek gou vir jou doen?
Yes, definitely. Auntie Abida, I need you to canala, chop the cucumber, and the.
Moet ek julle dink,
Nou.
dink
Wie jy vra vir werk nou môre jy?
Okay, what we're gonna do? We need a piece that's
Yes.
more or less the size of our seaweed over there. So about
so hierdie van hierdie.
just
Kom ek sê nou miskien nou.
from there till about here.
Okay, ja.
So you can just chop off the edge and cut there.
Kom ons vat hierdie iets. Kyk hier. As jy 'n expert in sushi, as hierdie okay.
I actually
As hierdie
started.
okay.
Yes, that's perfect. That's
Yeah?
perfect. I started about a month and a half before the fast. I'm doing this for about 3 months now.
Nou, hoe gaan ek nou? Nou as dit nou so kort doen, ek wil nou nie lelik wees nie. Maar as dit nou so kort doen, hoe weet jy nou dis reg?
According to my family, they love it. Yeah. What happened was I ended up spending a lot of
Maar
money
kyk
on
hier voor ons
sushi.
gou nog verder skinder. Wat wil jy hê moet ek hier vir jou doen?
Okay, I want nice slices, so you're gonna chop it up longitudinally.
Yeah.
And I want nice little like sticks,
Okay.
like longitudinal sticks, thin sticks,
Okay.
and that we're gonna line up in a
Eerste
sushi.
en die helfte.
And the after,
Oei, Here, bidas ek kan nie eens weer by die helfte uitkom nie. Kyk eens. En dan in die helfte en dan weer dun snikkies.
that's
As
good.
ons nou praat van dun snikkies, praat ons van soos hy te veel te dik.
That's too
Too-
thick.
too thick.
Too thick. We want it thin.
Ja, nou kan jy sien, hy man, ek ken nie van die goede nie, man, hy gee vir my 'n moeilike werk, jong. Sy moet soos hy oukie wees van verlede week, maar hy het vir my lekker min werk gegee.
Nice and easy life.
Ja.
Mm.
Sure. Maar nou, as ons nog gepraat nou van sushi, is sushi 'n ding wat 'n mens regtig hoef te maak? Of dink jy miskien 'n gewone visstorie is beter?
We in the modern age now, people
Yeah.
like to eat fancy,
Yeah.
and let's face it, it's quite expensive in the shop. So to make this at home
Ja.
at the fraction of the cost, eating healthy,
Kyk hier, voor ons verder gaan ek maak 'n gemors van jou goedes hierso. Wat gaan ek om nou, hoe gaan ek om red hier?
okay.
Hoe gaan ek om red?
So all we need to do, I'll take one,
Ja.
and then we will chop nice. That's
Yeah.
all we need.
Yes.
That's all we need. We just need thin slices, just like that.
Okay. Nou sien nou, ek is nie skaam om te sê ek mors op, ek vra vir help. Ek gaan nie maak asof ek alles ken nie, want ek ken nie. So ek vra vir help.
Nice thin slices. That's all. That's all we have to do.
Nou, dis al wat ek wil doen. Nou ja, julle weet, ek het nou gevra oor die rouvis storie en allerlei tipe van goeders en ek is seker as 'n mens hierdie goeders reg maak, dan gaan dit vir jou siek maak. Was dit rouvis? Maak dit nie vir jou siek nie.
Now, as long as you have it freshly caught or freshly caught and frozen,
Ja.
then it won't make you. It's when you leave things and defrost it, put it back in, or let it stand.
Yeah.
You don't want to get any. As long as you get a good supplier, freshly caught, as fresh as you can, and there are multiple places in Cape Town where you can get your fresh fish.
Nou as ek nog gou mag vra, as ek nou hierdie varse visgoeders nou vandag kry, hoe lank kan ek dit hou voor ek nou kom ek sê voor dit afgaan as ek nou nie tyd het om die sushi en goeders te maak nie.
I would recommend if you do have it, and you get it fresh,
Yeah.
freshly caught, you freeze it once. Once you defrost it, you use it. You don't want to freeze and refreeze.
Okay, so hy verloor dan ook sy flavor, seker hè?
Yes, it becomes almost soggy.
Yeah.
It
Baie natterig.
yeah, yeah. So it's not
Dit
nice
gaan
at
nie
all.
lekker wees.
The
Okay.
best thing for sushi is fresh. You have all ingredients fresh. Your rice fresh, your ingredients, but you don't have to use fish. There's options like your flavored crab sticks, there's your even mango.
Mango.
Mango, yes.
Okay.
There's you can use egg. There's a multitude of various ingredients you can use in the
Vandaar.
sushi. Yeah. There's a lot of options.
Okay. That's good to know. Good to know. Maar dan sy sê nou sy doen nie dit lank nie. So toe wat laat nou vir jou besluit nou okay, sy wil sushi maak en dat die familie toe besluit nee, maar dis lekker.
My family loves sushi. My kids, my wife, they love sushi, and it became expensive. And then I decided to learn how to make. That was 3 months ago. So I had to learn. And 3 months in,
Okay, en sy het ook toe nog gegaan maar op die YouTube goeders en al die tipe van goeders om verder te leer
Learn,
of gaan
ja.
sy maar met jou flow?
a combination of both. So I would try to learn from this and the others and try to make it my own. So what suits me best.
Ja, want mense wil ook nog nie dieselfde doen wat Auntie Elsie doen nie.
You don't want to copy and paste.
Glad ja.
So once you have your rice, the best thing to do is to use a pressure cooker, your normal or a rice cooker if you have.
Ja.
This will allow you to cook your rice in 5 minutes.
Ja, maar as ek nou, almal van ons het mos nou nie 'n pressure cooker nou nie. Was jy maar nie so rus toe nie.
Your instant pots type of thing, those pressure cookers, rice cookers. If you don't have that, it's gonna take a little bit longer.
Yeah.
It's like cooking regular rice, just a little bit longer on the stove.
Yeah.
So you'd use the same amount. So for 1 cup of rice, you would use 1.5 cups of water. That's for the instant pot. For your stove top, it will take a little bit longer.
Nou Wasim, terwyl ons nou gou hier ons het tyd amper uithardloop. Ek wil nou net sê begin gou vir ons mense te wys wat doen sy en voor die tyd vir ons gaan inhaal.
Yeah, we are prepping all the filling. Then I'm busy cutting your basically your sashimi or your raw fish, your salmon. So I'm gonna cut this into nice pieces for us to load into our sushi rolls.
Goed. Okay. Nou hoor ek nou ons sy ken lekker die name. Hoe onthou sy nou die name?
A lot of research.
Sure.
A lot of research.
Oh, en baie data.
I'm telling you. Yeah.
O baie wifi.
You copy and paste into a Word document.
I'm telling you, and it's a lot of trial and error. It's not that I'm a professional at it. Yes, trial and error. You learn your own technique because everyone will do it their own way. They will have their own equipment. You might not have all the tools that they have, but you can still accomplish it. Because, like I said before, the most important is your rice. Everything after that, you can wing it.
Maar nou kyk jy as ek nog op jou nou mag vra, as jy nou so besig is met jou research en allerlei dinge in die load shedding.
That's as long as your rice is done.
Okay.
If your rice is done, load shedding can come. Because all your ingredients doesn't need to be cooked. It's only your rice.
Okay. Want ek meen maar ek het nou was ek nie nou ja vandag. Want ons op pad is hier na toe. Daar kom ons hier na sy robot af en my man sê nou ek sê nee seker load shedding. Hy sê god kry mens nog 'n load shedding.
Oh. Yes, you do, and it's not easy. It's not easy to live in the darkness.
Maar nou as ek nog gou mag vra, ons praat nou hier van sosiaaltyd etc. Maar kan jy daarom ook ander tipe van goeders koop behalwe sushi goeders?
I try to, but my wife is the main cook now. She is the queen of the kitchen.
Nou wat vat julle ook dan nou soos kans om te kyk wie kan vir wie wen of wie kook beter as wie in die kombuis?
No, I don't win. In this type of specialized sushi thing, that's my game, and I can make it, and my wife loves it. I make it for her.
Okay.
Anything else? No.
Nee, dan moet jy maar wegbly van daai hare. Daai hare. Okay. Nou is kwai om te weet wanneer 'n koppel weet okay nee, hy's my gedeelte en doen maar nie worry met allerlei tipe van goeders en so in. Maar Wasim wat doen nou? Wat
Now we place our ingredients right here, and we can put it out of the way.
Yes.
And then we are going to roll our sushi.
Okay, nou bly julle gou ingeskakel, né? Wanneer ons terugkom, gaan hy nou gou vir ons wys hoe rol hy daai sushi en hoe lyk daai rou vis. Ek sal nou kyk of ek dit wil eet. Bly gou ingeskakel. Nou ja, julle het gesien nou hoe lekker gesels die Wasim. Hy staan eiere en gesels instead van werk, maar hy gaan nou lekker werk. Hy gaan nou vir my wys hoe gaan hy nou die sushi rol. En hy sê ek moet hom ja, wat hy sien nou weer wat gebeur hier so man. Ja, topal. Wasim, laat ons begin.
Okay. So when your rice comes out, you need to season the rice. So
Yes.
you're going to use your half a cup of sushi vinegar and a tablespoon of sesame seed oil.
Ja.
But first we're going to mix on they call it a tezu. As maar net iets om jou vingers in te dip, so that the rice don't stick to your fingers.
Okay.
So this is, because it is sticky rice and it will stick to your fingers. So we're just going to mix on that. That is just for our fingers and for our knife. And then from there, our sesame seed oil in there. And once that is mixed,
Ja.
and then we're going to season our rice. We will season our rice. Brush it over there, the vinegar and the sesame seed oil. And this will provide flavor. This will bring out the flavor for the rice. You mix it. Very important technique is to scrape the rice. We do not want to cut or squish the rice.
Goed.
So we're going to scrape it around from the bottom all the way up.
Okay, so
Mix it
julle wat
around.
nou hou van Susan wat julle eie goedes wil probeer by die huis, hou dop wat hy doen hè, en luister baie mooi na wat hy sê.
Then from there,
Yeah.
we're going to get our mats out. I've got
Our
a
mats.
nice,
Our mats.
the rolling mats.
Wat hou met?
So I gave you a nice
Yeah.
silicone one. I will use the traditional bamboo style.
Good.
And with the bamboo style one, you will basically need to wrap it.
Okay, nou as hy sukkel, kan sy imagine hoe te ja gaan ek nog sukkel.
I use the silicone one. I don't use a bamboo one. I'm just trying to do this for the viewers now. Maybe they can't get the silicone one. So nou moet ek nou sukkel.
Nee, is reg man, dit wys mos nou net ons ken nie maar ons kan probeer.
Yes. Okay. Okay. As I
Dis 'n bietjie beter.
a little bit, not so much.
Alright.
There's our bamboo mat. So
Yeah.
from there, we're gonna take our seaweed, our roasted seaweed or our nori,
Goed.
shiny side
Yeah.
down,
En 'n donker. Okay, shiny en
Sunside
'n growe
down.
kant. So die
Yes.
growe kant.
up.
Ja.
As I shiny
Kyk jy
side
nou
down,
sien nou lyne loop so, moet net so lê of net so lê.
just like that.
Dat die. Alright. Goed.
Just like
Yeah.
that. Then from there, what you wanna do is you wanna dip your fingers in the water mixture, and then you grab your rice
Okay.
and start in the middle.
My top.
Start in the
En ek
middle.
baie gebruik of 'n steur.
You want a thin film. You don't want it too thick. You don't want it too thin. You just want to not see the.
Ja, dit is not
That's
so.
why wet your fingers.
Ek het dit gewet, maar ek
You
nog wet.
need to constantly. It's gonna stick. Het kan vet raak.
Verstaan ek jou 100% meneer. 100% verstaan ek nou vir jou, né? Ons gaan nou hier.
And I'm just
Hy
taking
nou
out
besig
some
om dit te doen
avo.
nou hierso, maar ek probeer.
I thought you beat me, but ek het wel
Ai man,
weer
moet
gebeet.
nou nie so besig, ek het nou net gesê ek kry. Ek is bereid om te né? Ja, sê. Okay, en nou wat nou verder? Ek gaan nou net jou rys tot daar, jy moet verder.
That's perfect. That's perfect. Now we load our ingredients. So we
Yeah.
would, we can put some nice little cucumber there.
Ja.
You
Van
grab
hierdie kan ek vat.
from there. You can take some
Nou,
cucumber.
sit hulle
Just
net in die
along
middel.
in the middle, more or less in the middle
Yeah.
of the rice.
Yes.
Right there. And you can load more. You want some avo, you can load some avo there.
Goed. Okay.
Just line it up there.
Een stukje is genoeg, of moet jy meer?
You want to fill it up right across the line because you once we slice it, anders dan gaan iemand nie nou avo
Nou nie
kry
kry.
nie. Wie gaan heel?
Okay, en dan jou wat nog?
You can add you can add some more.
Oh, dat is nog als
There's
je
some
wortels en
carrots.
zo
You
en-
can pick and choose. I will add some
Okay.
salmon on my one.
There you go.
Ek weet nie of jy daar nie van visie, rou visie so. You can make your one. And from there we just move.
Nee, maar maak die zakje gemaakt zodat je doet. Ik
Just
ga het
shift
nog
it.
draaien.
Here we go. We shift it a bit
En
there.
dan een stukje vis boven.
Alright.
Maar nou, moet sushi gemaakt worden met rauw vis? Kan ik nou een stuk steak of een ding hier opzetten?
You can try it,
Yeah?
but it's not gonna work out like you think. It's too tough. You want something that's gonna be that can easily cut,
Sure.
that easily bite into, because meat will be a bit too tough.
Oké. Alright. Nou, wat kan ik maar rollen?
Once you roll, you grab the bottom end,
Ja, ik heb het.
you place your hands in the middle just to get it over there nice and tightly,
Ja, ik heb het.
and then you place it over ingredients like that. Use the mat, Diabira. Use the mat. Roll it to the mat. Here we go. Over all of the ingredients, grab it and push it in. Grab it. Okay. And then let go. Then let's see how it looks. Bring the mat
Nog
back.
eens de kikpost doen.
Okay, that's fine. So now,
You know,
what we want to do, we
Ferro.
want to just keep it nice and like that to get it. And then we'll give it another roll from there.
Okay.
And we'll just squeeze nice and tight. Niri, Auntie Abida, Kanala. Niri matsan, niri matiti, because
Oei, was het niet zo weer. Nou moet ik dan rollen.
yeah,
Nee?
we just want to just
Ik ga
roll
nou
it.
zien dat ik
That's
rol.
okay.
Gooi het zo bij
Roll.
de.
Roll it.
Oké, nou rol ik.
Just roll it.
Maar als ik rol, moet ik stijf optrekken.
Now just give it a nice gentle roll. Then we'll take the mat and we'll use a mat to squeeze it.
Om mooi te maken.
Mm,
Misschien zo zijn.
mm.
Hij zei net. Hij dan moet je zeggen dat wat van die vrouw.
Say maar niks.
Say exactly, say maar net niks. So maybe like that.
There we go. Then we just place.
Okay, is nou nie reggie, maar hy is ook nou nie te
It's amper
bad
there.
nie.
It's amper there.
Ja, hy sê te bad nie, man. Kyk hier julle man, kyk hier, hy sê te bad nie.
There's a sushi. Nou moet jy ons net sny.
Ah, maar kyk hoe lyk syne dit nou. Syne dan so. Syne is stop.
Then from there we wet our knife. We get a nice, a lekker natlappie.
Ja.
And after fee,
Okay.
we dip it in our tezo.
Okay, nou ek gaan nie laat ek sien dan wat maak jy nou?
Okay. I'll cut the ends
Ja.
just to make it look neat. You don't have to do it, but
Nou,
some people think
Ek
it's a
hoor dit.
waste.
ek hoor dit.
Nice and neat looking one.
Ah,
And then for
nou moet
me,
ek nog goed try.
yeah.
Gaan hierdie werk met hy of moet ek hy een gebruik?
Let's use this
Nou,
now.
laat ons hierdie een
There's a
probeer.
bit skerper.
So stap dit daarin. En dan kyk ons. Bismillah.
Met die mat. Nou nie die mat sny nie, kan hulle. Die silikon mat.
Nou, al af die mat.
Ja.
Wat weet ek nou, hè? Wat weet ek? En dan moet ek nou net sny. En die Elsie, gevaarlik. Van my eerste try aan die Elsie, nee.
So
Wat?
gaan jy nou vir my op die show kom en vir my sushi maak, Abida?
Ja, dan die Elsie, ja, hy gaat weer, hy gaat weer. Hy gaat weer, ja. Jo. Nee, jo. Gooi.
Hm?
God, ek
Nice
weet,
en-
wat sê die ou Ierlandse?
And it tastes nice. Lovely, fresh, healthy food. Mashallah, hy lyk mooi.
Kwaai man, sien julle? Kwaai. En ek kan vir julle sê, dat ek my eerste les gekry van om sushi te maak en dit was die Betty, so ek gaan hom weer try. Nadie. Weet ek nie so mooi nie, maar ons gaan lekker proe. Nou kan julle sien, die oudste is 'n lekker sushi en dan het ek hom gejaap en o, jare, ek is nou opgemaak want ek het dit nogal reg gekry. Maar Wasim, wys gou vir my hoe eet 'n mens die goedes man.
Lovely accomplishment. These are the maki rolls that Auntie Abida made, and then
Yeah.
off air I made the uramaki, which is a reverse
Okay.
inside out
Yeah.
rolls. It's all the same procedure,
Yeah,
just
So
honest
na
the boel.
Okay. Maar nou kyk jy, hoekom het sy dan 4 stukke en ek het net 3?
1,
Hy's
2,
groter
3.
as jy, Abida.
Okay.
Kyk.
Ek vra maar net, ek vra.
Caveman appetite.
Okay. Alright. En nou kyk jy, wat is die asyn?
Soy sauce. Soy sauce.
Okay, nou wat maak ek nou met dit?
It brings out more the flavor of the rice, so it
Yeah.
just finishes off. You can't have it without the soy, so it just makes it nice. That's why we don't put a lot of salt with the rice, so you'll find your salt will be in here.
Okay, nou
Goed,
wys
dis
gou
ook
vir my,
reg.
hoe gaan sy nou eet met hy stokkies?
Okay, so
Nou.
in between your
Yeah.
3 fingers there,
Yeah.
you place it right in there with your thumb there,
Ja.
and then from there, you just squeeze like that.
Okay, laat ek sien.
And don't forget the wasabi. It's a little bit of a kick,
Oei,
and then
okay.
you dip
En
it
die
in,
Elsie, ek het hom vas, ek het hom vas.
and then
Nou kan ek sê wat ek wil en jy kan nie praat nie.
Nou, wanneer sou ek klaar? Ek proe die salmon. Jy kan hom proe. En is it a bad, ja? I'll say it's not too bad. Maar nie vir my nie. Kyk jy, as jy vir my nie, maar ek gaan nou nog 'n stukkie proe. Nou laat ek sien. Kyk jy maar nou, hy ding is te groot. Hy's hoe
He's a
vat
bit
mense
of
hom
a
nou?
challenge. He's a
Ek
bit
gaan
of a
hom doen.
challenge.
Wag, nou kom ons kyk. Wat dan?
Give me help. Right,
Ons
so,
probeer weer, ons
there we
probeer.
go. Take 2.
Ons probeer weer. Jare, Pina.
Hey, let's
Ons los
leave it
maar
for
dat.
the small
Ons
one.
los daai en ons gaan maar weer terug by die kleintjie. aan. Kyk ons hoe werk die kleintjie nou. Want ek het hom ons nou lekker gehad.
And then for those who like spicy food, the wasabi on there. Just a touch. Wasabi, it's a plant. They grind it up into a powder and make a paste. It's like chili. As it got a kick. It has a kick. So those who like the spicy food, the wasabi on there.
Nou ja, daar het hulle nog gesien. Ek is nie een vir sushi nie, maar ek is ook 'n spoiled sporty, so ek het 2 stukkies geëet. Ons doen die show and we just go with the flow. Maar ek kan vir julle sê hier af van die skerm van die lig af is sommer 'n hele paar plektes nog daar. So en ons het gehoor, ons het mos altyd gehoor. So die gehoor gaan nou nog verder lekker proe, maar die ek is klaar geproe.
Abida, I forgot to switch on record. Can we do it again?
En ek hoop jy het die dag lekker geniet saam met my en Wasim Isaacs. Tot volgende keer, mooi bly. Ek is Abida Dixon Mohammed. Wassalamu alaikum.